Have you ever paused to wonder if a single, carefully crafted drink could revolutionize the way you feel, energize your body, and elevate your overall health? Today, we're excited to unveil the secret behind what many are heralding as the one most powerful drink in the world. Picture this: a warm, inviting elixir that not only nourishes your body with a treasure trove of essential nutrients but also works wonders to fight inflammation, bolster your immune system, and enhance your digestive health. All wrapped up in a delightful, zesty flavor profile that feels like a gentle hug on a chilly morning. In our quest for natural remedies and time-honored traditions, we discovered a magical concoction rooted in centuries of ancient wisdom and supported by modern scientific breakthroughs. The secret to its incredible potency lies in a blend of powerhouse ingredients: the radiant turmeric, celebrated for its active compound curcumin; a dash of black pepper, which supercharges the benefits of turmeric by significantly enhancing its absorption; and a hint of ginger, which kickstarts your metabolism and infuses the drink with an irresistible zing. Imagine waking up each day to this simple yet transformative ritual, a drink that not only ignites your metabolism but also fortifies your body against daily stresses. If you're ready to unlock nature's best-kept secrets and redefine your daily wellness routine, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned. And if you find this health journey as inspiring as we do, remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's dive into the powerful world of our star ingredients, beginning with turmeric. This vibrant golden spice, famous for its active ingredient curcumin, has been treasured for centuries for its remarkable health properties. Turmeric is celebrated for its ability to combat inflammation, acting as a robust antioxidant that safeguards your cells against damage. It plays a vital role in supporting joint health and enhancing brain function, making it a crucial addition to any wellness routine. To truly harness the benefits of turmeric, it's important to choose high-quality turmeric powder. This ensures you receive the full spectrum of its potent properties. Next, we turn to black pepper, a humble yet indispensable spice that dramatically boosts the effectiveness of turmeric. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound known to increase the absorption of curcumin by as much as 2,000%, turning an already powerful ingredient into an even more formidable health enhancer. Beyond its role in improving curcumin's bioavailability, black pepper also aids digestion and enhances nutrient uptake. Remember, a little black pepper goes a long way, so a small pinch is all you need to experience its remarkable benefits. Completing this trio is ginger, a root renowned for its ability to ease nausea and reduce muscle pain. Ginger not only supports a healthy metabolism but also promotes smooth and effective digestion. For the most impactful results, fresh ginger is the way to go. Simply grate a small piece directly into your drink to unlock its full, vibrant benefits. Together, these ingredients create a potent, synergistic blend that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also works wonders for your overall health and well-being. How to craft this drink? Now, let's move on to crafting this powerful drink. Begin by selecting your liquid base. You can use 1 cup of warm water or opt for your favorite milk alternative. It's important to warm the liquid gently, avoid boiling it, as high temperatures can diminish the valuable nutrients you're about to infuse into it. Once your liquid is perfectly warmed, add half a teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder. This golden spice forms the backbone of our drink with its potent curcumin benefits. Next, sprinkle in just a pinch of black pepper. Although it may seem like a minor addition, this small amount plays a crucial role by dramatically enhancing the absorption of turmeric's curcumin, making the drink even more effective. Following this, incorporate half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Fresh ginger not only brings a warming, zesty flavor to the mix but also contributes to the drink's digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits. If you're in the mood for a touch of sweetness or an extra burst of antioxidants, feel free to drizzle in a little honey or add a squeeze of lemon. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure that the ingredients blend seamlessly, creating a harmonious infusion of flavors and health benefits. For the best results, enjoy this soothing, health-boosting drink once daily, ideally in the morning. Starting your day with this elixir can help kickstart your metabolism and set a positive tone for the hours ahead, leaving you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. This drink serves as a formidable anti-inflammatory powerhouse, working tirelessly to reduce chronic inflammation, a condition that, if left unchecked, can pave the way for numerous health complications. By tempering inflammation, it helps maintain a healthier internal environment, ensuring that your body operates more smoothly day after day. Beyond its anti-inflammatory prowess, this elixir acts as an exceptional immune system booster. It fortifies your body's natural defenses, equipping you with a stronger resilience against everyday challenges and supporting overall wellness. In addition, the drink is incredibly rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating free radicals. This antioxidant protection not only contributes to a youthful, vibrant appearance but also aids in slowing down the aging process, preserving the vitality of your cells. Its benefits extend to the digestive system as well, where it works gently to soothe the digestive tract and enhance the absorption of essential nutrients, ensuring your body reaps the full benefits of every ingredient. Moreover, the drink offers a subtle yet effective boost to your metabolism, providing that extra kick needed to support weight management and keep you energized throughout the day. And let's not forget its positive impact on mood and brain health. The carefully chosen ingredients support cognitive functions and help elevate your mood, ensuring you feel mentally sharp and emotionally balanced as you embrace each new day. And there you have it, a simple, yet incredibly powerful recipe that brings together nature's finest ingredients to support your health in more ways than one. By embracing this daily ritual, you're not only nourishing your body but also taking a proactive step towards reducing inflammation, boosting immunity, and revitalizing your overall well-being. Remember, small changes can lead to big transformations, and this drink is a perfect example of how nature's wisdom can work wonders in your daily routine. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to discover one of the most potent health elixirs out there. If you enjoyed learning about this drink and its myriad benefits, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights into living a vibrant, healthy life. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers to your wellness.